TSSI stock analysis and price predictions for Tuesday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm the only guy in the space with a 44,000 video track record and 5 years of experience. When I say this, people think I'm exaggerating or something. Never. It's all documented, right? With TSSI, I'm just looking to buy, I hope, right? Like beforehand, but never got my rules met. Pre-market is a lot higher. It's not going to be a way where I'm going to randomly buy. I just hope I see a little correction, right? A little bit deeper, meaning that if it comes into this demand zone, it gives me a double break, I'm willing to buy more. Again, it's not going to be me randomly buying. I'm just sticking to the rules. So all I'm doing is I'm waiting for my rules to be met. With TSSI, I also got a lot of receipts here. About 5. So it's not a lot, but it's a decent amount. So if you want to stay tuned with TSSI and get free money making emails and insights every single day, click the first link in the description. It's free. Goodbye.